Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to be spelling sounds. I'm going to say a sound. You're going to repeat the sound, and then you're going to name the letter that makes that sound, and then you're going to write it in cursive. Here we go. Our first sound is B. Your turn. Make the sound. What letter makes that sound? Correct. It's B. Watch this. Swing up, stop, loop left, pull straight down, swing up, stop, and release. That's our B. Make it on your paper in cursive. Good job. Let's go to the next sound. The next sound, K. Repeat the sound. Very good. And what letters make the K sound? If you said K and C makes that sound, you're correct. We're going to write those two letters in cursive. K. Curve way up, loop left, pull straight down. Push up, go around, touch, and release. That's our K. And to separate K from C, we're going to put a comma. Now let's make C. Curve under over, stop, trace back around, and release. Very good. Let's do another one. Next sound, D. Repeat it. What letter? Correct, D. That's right, D in cursive. Curve under over, stop, trace back around, push up, pull down, and release. That's D in cursive. Let's make another sound. F. Make that sound. What letter? F. F makes that sound. Let's make F in cursive. Curve way up, loop left, pull straight down, push up, touch, and release. That's how you make a cursive F. Very good job. Okay, let's do another one. G. Make the sound. What letter? Correct, G. Curve over, under, stop, trace back around, push up, pull down, go to the front, and release. Very good job. See you next time, boys and girls.